I just like eagles. Well, it's finally here. Real important part of my business, and real important part of most businesses. I go through Vistaprint, and I've been using them for years. Unfortunately, it's taken me about three weeks to get them, but of course, you know, there you go. We're into the pandemic situation here. And let's see. And there we go. Can you read that? Yes, finally. Alright, let me use that thing. Give me a couple of pens. Do them. Made up. That's pretty fine. Can you see? Can you read that? I have backwards. All right, sweet. Yeah. And most important part. So if you're looking to start a business and you need to get, of course, you need to get business cards. Let's do that right. Packed away good. There we go. I got 200 of them made up. See how they look on the back. Yeah. There we go. I am now officially in business. And there is my back of my card. So if you know anybody or yourself that needs personal protection, just let me know. And you can catch me on you'll be able to message me on Facebook, or of course my email addresses, my phone numbers, text me, and of course my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. Catch you again.